Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today in this lecture I will discuss grapevine communication. What is grapevine communication? Grapevine communication is a form of informal communication, operates both in external and internal informal channels which can contribute to the benefit the organization. Therefore, it is found in all organizations. It does not follow any prescribed or predetermined rule and spreads any information quickly. Through the grapevine, information flows in different directions, linking almost everyone of an organization. It is governed by social and personal relationships rather than officially recognized rules and formalities. Grapevine operates both in internal and external formal channels. It passes opinions, suspicions, and rumors that generally do not move through formal channels. By nature, the grapevine is a channel of horizontal communication. However, in fact, it does not follow any set pattern. It effectively operates horizontally, vertically, and even diagonally. Grapevine is a natural outgrowth, person to person, informal communication channel through which information flows horizontally, vertically, or diagonally without following any set rule or regulation among the people within or outside the organization. Grapevine communication is informal workplace dialogue in its purest form. It is characterized by conversations between employees and superiors that do not follow any prescribed structure or rule based system. Grapevine communication spreads rapidly and likely touches each person throughout the organization. The social and personal interactions of employees determine the frequency and reach of grapevine communication. It is an inevitable byproduct of workplace communications. Human beings have a desire to communicate with one another, and this will not always come in a form that is approved by senior management. Grapevine communication is so complicated that various categories define it. There is a single strain chain where information travels straight from person A to person D. The gossip chain sees one person spread the news to as many people as they can, while the probably chain disperses information randomly, and in turn others do the same. Lastly, the cluster chain reveals one person telling a selected group of people who else spread the news to another cluster. These are all various ways that company information can informally throughout the organization. Thank you.